This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Ben Williams. What a deal here! Buy one get one free. Beautiful 3-bed 2-bath home and a darling 2-bed, 1-bath guest house for in-laws, outlaws or mother-in-laws. Or use it for rental income. Great workshop, 2 large carports plus RV covered parking, and 3 huge covered porches, all on over an acre in Ambrose, Bells, TX. Too many cool things here to describe completely, but for starters just look out your window at the water buffalo, zebras, bison, and the rare St. Pierre deer which went extinct in the wild but thrives now in wildlife game preserves like this. This great property is priced low enough for investors to buy and lease but would be perfect for a large family or multi-family situation. For more information,